Yeah! Hey guys, it's me, Milo. Welcome to my Monster School vlog, where I tell you all the neat stuff I learned in Monster School. Yeah! Today, we learned all about patterns. Patterns are things that repeat in an order, like, like my shirt. See, it's a pattern. Orange, yellow, orange, yellow. I'm gonna show you a bunch of patterns we made today using blocks. Okay, this is not a pattern. It's just a big pile of blocks. And this is a tower of blocks. And this is a block wall. It keeps the monsters away. Wait a minute, I'm a monster. As I was saying, I'm gonna show you some cool patterns. Up first, orange, purple, orange, and purple. So, we have a pattern. It goes orange, purple, orange, purple. Can you guess which block comes next? Think hard. Orange! Now, what comes after orange? Oh, there's only one block left. It must be purple! See? We have a pattern. It goes orange, purple, orange, purple, orange, purple. Orange and purple. You know what that reminds me of? Halloween! One time, my friend Blink dressed up as a giant jack-o'-lantern. His eyes stuck out of the holes. It was so funny. I have to show you. I have to show you. See the orange pumpkin and the purple shorts? We called him Blink-O-Lantern. Oh, it was so funny. Here's another pattern we learned. Circle, star, and star. Bet you thought I was gonna say circle, didn't ya? Well, guess what? I am now. So here's our pattern. Circle, star, star, circle. So, what do you think comes next? Star and another star. So our pattern is circle, star, star, circle, star, star. Oh, excuse me. I thought I saw a shooting star out the window, so I ran over to make a wish. Turns out, it was just a bird. But I made a wish anyway. This is the hardest pattern we learned in school. I had a hard time with it. It took a lot of thinking, but I figured it out. It goes star, circle, purple, star, circle, purple. And the next one is... Oh my gosh, which one comes next? Is it the star? Is it purple? Is it the circle? Oh, so many choices. I think it's the star. Yeah, that seems right. Let's take a look here. And what comes next? It's the circle. There we go. And that leaves the color purple. Perfect! We finished the pattern. It goes star, circle, purple, star, circle, purple, star, circle, purple. Awesome job! Aren't patterns the best? You can make them with anything. Just put what you choose in the same repeating order. Star, circle, purple, star, circle, purple, star, circle, purple. Yes! So, that's it for my Monster School vlog today. Hope you liked it. See you later, Monster Gators!